Alright, this video is for the shifting quadratic practice. It's no calculator allowed. We're going to do 1C, 2A, and 3A on the video here. So 1C, there's other problems in part 1, but I'm only going to look at part C down here. We're given the parent function of the quadratic. Alright, so that's y equals x squared. That's what's graphed for you. And we are going to graph the function k of x. So the first thing we need to do is figure out where the new vertex is. Remember, when you find the vertex in standard form, you take the opposite of what's inside the parenthesis and the same as what's outside the parenthesis. So this parabola is going to have a vertex at -1, +4. Oh, I messed up. -1, -4. I lost my negative sign. There we go. So -1, -4, and I think I just have the wrong grid down here, but that's okay. We'll make it work. We will make it work. All right. There we go. Close enough. All right. So, -1, -4. Let's identify the transformations that happened here. That'll help us. That graph, when I went +1 inside the parentheses, that means you moved left 1. Remember, inside the parentheses is left or right, and it's the opposite of what you think, right? So left is plus. The minus on the outside means you went down 4. And if I look at my point, my vertex, that does seem to make sense. From the original, it looks like I went left and then down. So let's plot our new graph. You can plot each of these points. We're going to take each one, left 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. So here we're going to go left 1 from this point, down 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're just translating each point as they come. So then up here, left 1, down 4. Left 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, and left 1, down 4. So this is what the function, oh, it's not a very good graph, but this is what k of x will look like. All right, and you have a better grid on your paper. I just copy and pasted the wrong one. All right, so that's 1A. It's pretty straightforward. For A, B, and D, you're still going to identify the vertex and then just move the points left or right, up and down. 2A, we're going to do what we were doing on the back of our notes. We're going to start by identifying the vertex. So the vertex here is +3, -4. Now when I have a minus inside the parentheses, that means you went to the right 3 units. And the -4 on the outside means that you went down 4 units. Now this is where you have to know the parent function. You're going to plot your vertex, right 3, down 4. Now you need to know the pattern. Remember, the pattern is out 1, up 1, out 2, up 4, out 3, up 9. So whatever you go out, you square that number, and that will give you how many you go up. So from this vertex, I'm going to go right 1, up 1, right 2, up 4, out 3, up 9. And I don't think 16 will fit, so we're good there. So we'll go the other way. Left 1, up 1. Left 2, up 4. Left 3, up 9. And that's the picture of your parabola. There's a couple other ones to try. If you're having trouble graphing, ask your teacher for some help. We can give you more examples and help you more with the parent function, but you need to be able to graph this without a calculator. Last one here, if you're writing an equation in vertex form, equations always start with y equals. Left happens inside the parentheses, and left movement has a +8. You square the parenthesis quantity, and up 4, up is outside, and it is the same sign that you expect, so +11. All right, if you try the other problems here, if you have questions, ask your teacher or check the key that's on campus.